Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a handstand. But I didn't do a handstand the last video, I only did it on cartwheels. My mom did a spelling mistake by accident. She didn't know. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do some handstands. So get ready for the rainbow coaster ride onto handstands. Stitch your wrists like this and like this and sideways. Bend them back and forth. Okay, now that you have stretched your wrists, you could do that for about 10 seconds. You are going to learn the basics on how to kick up into your handstand. Okay, let's do this thing. First, you're going to want to do a lunge. And then you're going to want to put your arms by your ears. And you're going to want to just practice kicking up. Do that and do that until you feel comfortable. Now you're going to keep up in, you're going to add a little hop. Just like this. Hop. Don't bring your legs all the way up. We're not there yet. Now you're going to want to do a little hop and bend your leg up a bit. Use those things so that you get used to standing upside down. Now you're going to want to do it on the surface of the bed. Just here. Kick up and come down. Kick up, legs straight this time and come down. Kick up, legs straight, down. Kick up. You can hold that long. Okay, once you've done that, now you're all solid. So now you're going to want to learn how to do the basics on how to, you already know how to do a lunge and arms to your ears and kick up your leg, then kick up both legs, but one leg up straight and one leg bent. Then you're gonna do it on a bed but with your legs straight. So once again. See, you get comfortable. And that is what the bed is for. Once you've done that for a while, you are going to go on to your floor. I recommend doing this on a soft surface. Grass, carpet, or a mat. I don't have a mat, so I'm using the carpet. You're just going to stand in your lunge. Kick up with both legs. Stand in your lunge. Kick up with both legs. Stand in your lunge and up. Okay, so don't have any tips and tricks for you, but thank you for coming on the rainbow. Never mind, let me show you some. Gonna drink some water because my tank is a bit dry. That's another word for throat. So thank you for coming on the rainbow universe ride with me for handstands. I hope you got your handstands. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you will, I don't know. Comment down below if you got your handstand. Bye. Excuse me, guys. Bye.